Hello everyone and welcome back. So in today's video we are going to be talking about tampons and I'm going to be comparing the tampon sizes or my tampon sizes. And what I mean by that is I'm going to be seeing if the Playtex Sport regulars are smaller than the Ubiquitex Click regulars. So we're going to do that together. I think it's going to be the sports because I already opened one. I haven't opened, so I'm going to show you that one. But yeah, it's pretty small for a regular tampon, and I will get to that in just a second. I will show you in just a moment. But I want to just share something with you real quick. So the first box of these I bought came with this pink wrapper packaging, you know, the pink packaging. But then I got this new box. I haven't used any of them yet. But the packaging, which I just showed you, is this one. Which is nothing wrong. This was like the old packaging before this packaging, I think. I'm pretty sure. I'm just wondering, like, I don't know what I'm wondering exactly. Like, I don't know, maybe they just had some like leftovers of the old packaging. Because the applicator is the same. It's still the green plastic applicator and all that. So anyway, I think I'm just being paranoid and weird and worried for no reason. I'm just like that. That's the kind of person I am. But anyway, another thing I wanted to share with you real quick is on this box it says light absorbency. Now I know way back, like a long, long time ago, there was a light absorbency for the Playtex Sports. I wish they brought them back because those would be like my tampon, my main go-to favorite tampon. I do like these, and these are very small for a regular. They might as well be a light. They are my light, okay, because they look so small, and I'll get to that again in just a moment. But it's like it's so confusing and kind of like frustrating because it's like, why is it even on the box? If we don't sell that particular tampon, why is the absorbency on the packaging? Like, I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, okay. I can't talk. Sorry. Don't get me wrong. I still love these tampons. They still work amazing for me. A little confusion. So if any of you girls can help me out, that would be amazing. Again, I already know that like they were a thing, or like they did have them in the lights a long time ago, and they probably have been discontinued because they don't have them where I live. And the only lights that we do have are the Tampax Pearl lights and the Tampax Radiant lights. But I can't use Tampax Pearl because just the way the tampon opens, it opens like a butterfly. Like that's the only way I can describe it. It's like a butterfly. If you guys have used those tampons, you know kind of what I'm talking about, I hope. But they do not work. Even the light tampon is too light for my period. Like my periods are always changing and I'm very confused. I'm feeling very confused right now, and I'm also on my period, so that's kind of interesting how this all worked out. But anyway, I like how it worked out. This video has worked out perfectly so far. Anyway, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going on about, but like I cannot use Tampax Pearl tampons. I like them. They have like very smooth, like slim applicator. I love it. Inserting it, no problem. It's just removing the actual tampon. It wasn't painful to remove it. It was just like, it's just very uncomfortable, and just it felt like it was stuck. Like it felt like it did not want to come out of my body. It's like I did not like that feeling. Anyway, I'll do a whole different video on that later, some other time. But right now, let's just get into comparing my tampons. So again, I only have two. The Playtex Sport regulars and the Ubiquitex Click regulars. I've already had this open. So this is the packaging and the applicator. I like this applicator. At first, when I saw a picture of it on Google, like before I started using tampons, I'm like, that plunger looks so huge. Oh my gosh. It's not actually that big at all. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, so this is the actual tampon. Like, look how tiny that is. Like, it's smaller than my pinky. That's small, man. That's small. Like, I have small pinkies. It's quite funny because my nieces, we were comparing pinky sizes, and their pinkies are bigger than mine. No, actually, we have the same size pinkies, which is kind of sad. Anyway, so now for the Click regulars. I like how these open. And you know what I started recently doing, like actually today, because again, I'm on my period. So I'm actually using a Click regular as we speak, but I kind of like tug on the string. I've never used to do that, but I don't know. I just started doing that like today. But anyway, this is the applicator. They're all pink now, which is kind of cool. I know the old packaging, like even the applicator was like the purples were purple, the pinks were pinks, the orange were pink, like. No, actually, I remember like older packaging where like there was like the green packaging and the blue, and like the tampon or like the applicator was blue, and the other applicator was, I can't talk. The other applicator that was green, or like I the green packaging of the green, I can't talk. The green packaging had a green applicator and all that. Anyway, we're gonna, yeah, that's definitely bigger. That's definitely bigger. Yes, so I was right. I was right. I think these are my go-to tampons. Like, I do like these tampons, and I would definitely use them again. But yeah, these, I don't know. I can't tell with these what my period is like. With these, I can. So, I think these are my new go-to. But again, I'm not hating these tampons. I like them. I like how they're, you know, adjustable. Or not adjustable, but they do that. Compact. I like how they're compact. I know these came in compact, but I think they discontinued them in compact because I wanted to try the compact ones like these. I didn't want the actual full-size ones, but I cannot find them anywhere, and I've tried different stores and pharmacies and all that. So, anyway, I got my answer, you guys. The Playtex Sport regulars are smaller than the Click regulars, but that's okay. These are still comfortable. They are still awesome. I still love them. Obviously, I'm not going to use these sanitary reasons, obviously. But, yeah, I wanted to do this neat kind of video because I'm also on my period, so I thought it'd be neat to do a period-related video while on my period. I have done period vlogs, obviously, on my period, but anyway. Yeah. I don't know what the point of what this video was, but I just thought it was neat. Gave me something to do. And, yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I'm curious. I mean, I've never used a super absorbency tampon because my flow is definitely not that heavy at all. But I'm kind of curious to know if, like, they're even bigger than this. Like, this is a regular, so how big would the super be, like, this big? I'm guessing the super is, like, this big. Because, like, come on. If this is a regular and this is a regular, I don't know. I'm just guessing. I've never used a super, but, like, it's a super for this, like, this size. Like, I love it, though. They're both cute. I like this. Cute? Oh, my God. I like this one, though. This is, I think, my go-to tampon. But, again, I'm trying to use up the Click regulars. I have 3 more of them in my period kit, so hopefully I can use them up between this period and next period. I should bring some of them upstairs. Anyway, these were also from my... I can't talk. These were also from my period kit, so... yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to stop rambling about tampons and periods. But yeah, I've been feeling really confused about my period the last few days, and I don't know if it's, like, related to being, like, now because I'm on my period now. I don't know if it has to do with, like, being on my period or just in general. Like, I've had a lot of questions about my periods, and, I don't know if it has to do with having PCOS or whatever, but, like, it's kind of, I don't know. Anyway, I should probably make a different video about that, explaining more, because this video is getting too long. But anyway, yeah, thank you guys for listening and taking the time to watch my video. And, yeah, please comment, subscribe. You guys know the drill. And, I will see you all next time. All right, laters, my friends.